This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start immediately by removing anything that can confuse the touchscreen. Unplug external input devices, take off screen covers, and wipe the glass. Once done, restart Windows and sign in as an administrator so you can change system settings. Now open Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices. That list is where Windows shows the HID-compliant touchscreen. You're setting the scene for direct fixes, no time wasted on basic setup, and preparing to toggle and update the touchscreen driver. Next, focus on the drivers and the service that handles touch input. In Device Manager, right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then enable. This forces Windows to reinitialize the device. If the problem persists, update driver and choose Search automatically. If that fails, uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Then open Services, MSC, and restart the touch keyboard and handwriting panel service. This service lets Windows accept touch input, so restarting it often. Finish by calibrating and updating system firmware. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then find Touchscreen Calibration or Pen and Touch Settings and run calibration so coordinates match your taps. After that, check Windows Update and your PC Maker's support for firmware or BIOS updates. Install them and reboot. If you still have issues, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter and record any error codes. This single troubleshooting tip, Capture Errors, lets you search precise solutions or contact support with actionable information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.